Hey there! Okay, so I'm doing this challenge where I check out cookbooks from the library every week this year to see if there's any good ones out there. Like, for real, there's so many books, but are there any good ones? And who has time to cook all of them? So we're gonna go through, read some, review them, then we're gonna test the real deal and see if the recipes are worth actually making. Alright? So let's get into it. I created a rating system, and in this video I'm going to break down to you guys exactly how each cookbook is going to be rated. Here are the 7 things I rate each cookbook on. So number 1 is food photography. Like, does it look beautiful? Do we want to eat it? Are we gonna like get inspired just by the photo alone? I want to know, like, am I inspired to eat whatever we're looking at? Also, does each recipe come with a photo? We want to know, like, what is it looking like, or it's up to our imagination and we never made this. So yeah, all right. So number 2, recipe creativity. Is the recipe creative? Is it unique? Is this a classic twist? Is it just a classic 1, 2, 3 yes recipe? We want to know, are you getting creative here, or are we keeping it classic? There's space for everybody, but we want to know which one you are. Number 3, step by step. Does the book show you how to make the recipe with the process photos? Or is it just a final dish, like, and that's it? So that's 3. Number 4, food science. Are we understanding why these things are working, or is the recipe just the instructions? Like, here, this is what you do, and this is what's gonna happen. 5, difficulty. And we're going to throw in accessibility. Are you able to grab these items at the grocery store after one trip? Or are you going to be ordering and running to several places? Does it have all the things in your pantry and your fridge? Or again, are you going to be ordering several things from Amazon just for this one recipe? Because as a home cook, you just want to have everything and you just want to make something delicious. So difficulty and accessibility is going to be all in one category, number 5. So number 6, nutritional information. Is there any, do we get any calories on here? Like, is it vegan? Is it dairy free? Is it gluten free? Any substitutions? Like, what's happening? So that's number 6. 7 is going to be recipe variation. Like, in the book, yes, this is the recipe, but are they also giving you, hey, a second side option of berries would make this now a triple berry threat? Because, who wouldn't want a variation of a already banging recipe? Let's be real. So yeah, and each one of these categories is going to be a potential 10 points for this cookbook. Overall is going to be 70 points that each book can earn, which then I will convert into stars, and I'll tell you at the end out of 5 if the book is worth buying, if I'm going to be returning it and maybe borrowing it again, or making a copy of a page or two, snapping a pic, something. And lastly, returning and never taken out again. Like, I won't be looking at this book. No. It's going back. It's going back to the library. I'm sorry. Right now. But for the most part, we're out here looking for the best of the best. Anything that looks tasty. Let's find some cookbooks with some good recipes. They could be from online bakers, TV personalities, people that just all of a sudden they know how to cook and they chefed up a book. So everybody is game, fair game here. All right, if you have a cookbook that you want me to look at, review, and put through the system, let me know down in the comments. If you made it this far in the video, I love you guys so much. Stay tuned for the cookbook reviews. Thanks for watching. Bye.